I'm Kate and I work here at the Mississippi Children's Museum. Today we are in our beautiful Victory Garden that we planted in April. It has been very fun, very educational, of course very fruitful. And before we get started today, I want to say thank you to the Southern Farm Bureau for sponsoring our program, Farm Bureau Spotlight. Today, what we are going to do is look at 3 different crops that we planted, and we are going to play a little game, a guessing game. Does it grow up from the stem, or does it grow down from the stem? The first thing we're going to do is okra, okay? So take a second, make a guess. Do you think that okra grows up, or do you think that okra grows down? Take a second, make a guess. All right, let's go see. We have our beautiful okra plants here, and okra grows up. Super cool. And this one is ready to harvest. It's about 2 to 3 inches long. So we're gonna pick it. The way to pick okra is you wanna use your scissors and you wanna snip it right above this cute little hat that okra likes to wear. Just like that. All right. Now we have some okra and we're ready to move on to our next guess. I will put that here for now. Okay, next one, corn. Do you think that corn grows up or grows down? Take a second, make your guess, think about it. Okay, let's take a look. We've got corn here, and it grows up. Pretty cool. Now this corn is also ready to harvest. How you know? All of these tassels here are brown, okay? And the corn is getting pretty plump. So we are just going to pull back this, and we are just going to twist, and da-da-da. See how easily that came free? That's how you definitely know that it's ready. Okay, corn is there. Next guess, cantaloupe. Does it grow up or does it grow down? Now think about it, because it's kind of a trick question. Think about how big cantaloupe is. Let's go take a look. We've got our cantaloupe and our melons right over here in this patch. And cantaloupe doesn't grow up or down. Cantaloupe is super, super heavy, and it grows on a vine. So if we take a look here, we've got a cantaloupe that is ready to pick. How do we know? We still have this beautiful net here. Kind of looks like a spider web or a net, and it's starting to change color, right? So we have this beautiful tan color here. So cantaloupe vines get kind of prickly, so I'm just going to cut right above the stem, and now we have a beautiful cantaloupe to enjoy. So what I want to challenge you guys to do, even if you don't have a garden, that's okay, but go outside. Take a look at the plants around you. Plants are awesome, plants are interesting, and anything that you find that you think is super cool, take a picture, take a video, and don't forget to tag MCM. All right, thanks for picking with me.